Montgomery Public Schools is an urban district here in Montgomery, Alabama. We have about 26,500 kids in our district, and our schools range from magnet schools to career tech centers, and we have just traditional schools as well.
When you come into a district that has struggled academically and you have low test scores that you need to raise, what do you do in order to make that happen? Getting them to engage is the key to how we get kids to be successful.
But in a class where a lot of the work that we do is teamwork, it was difficult to gain the attention of students because I'd have to rise above their volume in order for them to hear me.
Finding myself having to repeat instruction and to command their attention was really a challenge.
Audio within any type of instruction is critical. And now with the audio enhancement system, we can promote that active learning environment where teachers can be mobile, project their voice, and still engage students wherever they are in the classroom.
Audio Enhancement is an audio system that amplifies the teacher's voice enough for all students to hear in the classroom.
The lanyard mic goes around the neck. It's very simple to use. It's just a matter of powering it on and off.
And through just a couple of clicks, I can adjust my volume.
The whole classroom is aware that I'm speaking. I don't have to repeat myself as often. I don't have to speak so loud.
The audio enhancement system integrates with both our smart boards or our touch panels.
So whenever audio is played, that same sound is projected over the audio enhancement system.
And having that ease of use is really key for our teachers.
When you go into classrooms now, kids are better engaged in the work that they're doing simply because of how it's being communicated.
The microphone helps them hear the teacher's instructions clearly.
I can understand better if I'm hearing you. Now with the mic, I can listen while the teacher is teaching and do the work at the same time.
It was a huge difference because they were able to engage and focus on what was going on in the classroom.
Since we've had the system, we have seen less behavioral issues because they know what they're supposed to be doing in the class.
The microphone allowed me to make my classes more student-led, but if I need to get their attention, I can just turn it on. I don't even have to stand up.
And the student microphone allows the students to feel empowered because it keeps the students leading the class.
The student microphone is a handheld microphone in the class that you use for presentations when you want to talk.
In the interactive part of the class, I always have one host. They repeat the question and they go from table to table because everybody must make a contribution.
You have your shy students, but when they know they have the mic, they know they need to speak into the mic and speak clearly because everybody is going to hear them.
We want them to get used to these type of devices, so giving them the opportunity to use it in a classroom is providing them with exposure.
I like the microphone because I don't like talking that loud. And if I'm using the microphone, I don't have to focus on if I'm being too loud or if I'm being too quiet.
This tool has allowed students to contribute to classroom discussions in a much greater way.
Audio enhancement has changed our educational environment for the better because now they're willing to participate more.
Students are beginning to understand that they're teachers as well.
Audio enhancement gives us an opportunity to engage them in a much different way. And if kids are better engaged, they have better access to the curriculum, which means their results are going to be better. They're going to be better prepared citizens, better prepared students, and they can provide our community with an opportunity to make generational change in terms of what education looks like.